Ain't shady, baby, I'm hot like the prodigal son. Pick up Bartolini, meeny, money, mo, and flower, you're the chosen one. Well, your left hand's free, and your right's in grip, with another left hand, watch his right hand slip. Schwartz is gone.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Dawson. I'm back at it again with another vlog. If you guys didn't see the last 3 vlogs, go ahead. That was the Bro Ventures in Vegas series. So we are in Havasu, Arizona. Probably wondering, why am I in Havasu, Arizona if I just went to Vegas like a week or 2 ago? So, long story short, my high school friend Noah invited me and my cousin Brandon. Shout out to Noah and his family for letting us come. It's a beautiful place. I've never been to Havasu. Those were the first couple clips were from yesterday. I didn't film so much yesterday because we are in a lake of water and I don't have a GoPro or anything. So this is a nice view. I don't know if you guys can see this view. Hopefully you guys can. If not, I'll do a little pan. So yeah, shout out to Noah. Respect. That's my boy. I don't know what to say. It's hot as heck outside. I can barely think. Doing the intro right now. Summer is almost over, guys, and I'm trying to get as much Camcorder summer vlogs out. This is Camcorder vlog episode 6, and we'll talk more about that when it comes to the end of summer. What my thoughts are of Camcorder summer and how we're gonna progress from there. But let's enjoy today. Sorry, it's so hot. So let's enjoy today, and let's see what life has to bring for us today.
Dip your toes in the water, we're out for the summer.